Hey guys, on our way to Kofa, decided to do a little side trip to Cibola Animal Refuge. We're just here to check it out. We've been here before. Recording, just sort of pointed out there. Let's camp right down there by that hill. So I'm here in Kofa, West. Kofa. We got Christina here. Look, we got Jason and David and Kathy. That's Jason from Huck Outdoors. And
Who's that?
That's Jason.
Oh, I want to be in his video.
Oh, wait. You don't want to be in my video?
His video. I want to
You're-
be in your video.
Okay, well, you're all going to be in my video if I do a video.
Okay.
So look, we got Jason from Huck Outdoors. We got Kathy from Hike2BHuman. We got David. That's just David. And over here we got Wes, and this is just, you can't really see Wes because the sun's behind you.
Let's change the
Yeah, there you go. Now we can see Wes. Now we got Wes. And
I'm not a
he's
YouTuber,
he's
but
just
I am
Wes.
on Instagram.
He's got an
Go probably
Instagram.
drop the links in the below.
Yeah, I will. Yeah, maybe. And then we got Christina. And then camp's still a long ways away. It's way out there. And we just got back from...
Oh, it's only going to be a...
Oh no. Is it recording? Yeah, it's recording. Can you turn it on?
Oh, you are poking the bear.
What?
The fire's almost out, Mike.
I feel like I'm in band camp. If it doesn't rain in brown.
Yeah. Okay.
Didn't do much video, but that's Justin from Arizona. He's getting ready to leave. I think Paul's getting ready to leave. Mr. Paul and the rest of them are getting ready to leave.